This hackathon, in my view, and for me personally, once again confirmed the huge creativity potential that the Montenegro has to offer. The fact that we have received more than 100 ideas testifies to the power of the community and the resilience of the community in Montenegro. I was very impressed with what we have seen tonight, and I have to admit that as a jury member, I had difficulties, and it took me a while to sort through the different ideas and to organize my thoughts and also my preferences. While we listened to the videos and presentations from 15 finalists today, and only 6 of them will eventually be awarded one way or the other. For us, this is just the beginning of what I hope will be a continued journey for all of you, and that eventually all the good ideas and the community spirit and the effort that you have put into your project will find its way to life and will also find its way to the potential investors and potential funding. As United Nations Development Programme, we have secured an initial full prize of 10,000 euros that will go back to the best 3 teams. But however, for everybody and beyond that, there is also a potential of the continued support through networking, mentoring, and linking you with the experts who will eventually also those of you who haven't, who will not receive the prize, will help you to develop your ideas further, and will guide you through if you decide to avail of this non-financial support also in going forward. So once again, thank you very much to all of you, and thank you very much to all of you for being here with us. It has been a pleasure, and I hope that we can continue in this spirit of the collaboration also in days, weeks, and months to come. Thank you.